After you've published your book, the next step is to track your sales and earnings. And in this video, we're going to be talking about exactly that. Once you're published with NotionPress, your NotionPress author dashboard gives you a real-time overview of your book sales, earnings, and payouts, all in one place. Let's break it down. So firstly, let's look at how your profits are calculated. Your profit per book sale is calculated as your book's MRP minus all the expenses. But what are the expenses involved in producing your book? They can be divided into production costs and distribution costs. Production costs are influenced by number of pages, book dimensions, cover format, which is whether your book is printed as a hardcover or a paperback, and interior type. So this includes factors like paper quality, GSM, and whether your book is printed as a black and white book or a color book. Now coming to distribution costs. Distribution costs depend on how you choose to distribute your book. If your book is listed on the NotionPress store, then you will earn 80% of the MRP per book sale. If you opt for India distribution, where your book is listed on Amazon.in and Flipkart, you will earn 50% of the MRP per book sale. With international distribution, where your book is listed on Amazon.com, you will earn 45% of the MRP per book sale. And with Ingram distribution, where you have access to 30,000 plus bookstores and libraries across 150 plus countries, you will earn 40% of your MRP per book sale. Now let's come to how your profits are calculated. Let's look at an example. Suppose your book's MRP is rupees 200 and your production costs are rupees 80. Then your profit per book sale when your book is listed on the NotionPress platform would be your book's MRP minus all the expenses, which includes the production cost and the distribution cost. So this is 200 minus 80 plus 20% of 200, which is 80 rupees. But how do you know what your book's MRP is? To get a clear estimate of what your book should be priced at, you can go to the Outpublish page on our website. You'll find a tool called Calculate Your Earnings. Just enter your book details like page count, size, format, and type, and it will calculate your production cost and your minimum recommended price. You can find the link for this in the description. So once you have your MRP and your profit margins, you will have a much clearer picture of how your book performs across formats and platforms. And with the NotionPress author dashboard, you can keep track of everything: sales, payouts, earnings, and author copies, all in one place. So you can take complete control of your book's financial journey. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!